So, I'm making a vase on my Anycubic Chiron, whatever they call it. And it's on 99% to go. Progress, 99%. So it's almost done. This is doing spiral. It's spiraling up, spiraling contour, I think they call it. Change the setting in Cura. So instead of printing layers, it prints as like a thread. So it prints, it goes around, and it comes up like a spiral, like a spring or a thread. And it's been doing it all night. And it's lunchtime now, the next day, and it's almost finished. So seeing that it took about 15 hours to make this massive vase out of a golden colour, I'll film it. Just to let you know, I'm doing this one too on a CR20 Pro. This is going to be a pen holder. You stick on your desk and put a pen in it. Got it going 50% the speed. I set it on 50% because I didn't want to fuck up while I was at home sleeping last night. So I thought if I just put on 50% the speed, it'd have a better chance of success. Come on, it's got to finish any second now. So I wonder what you could put in this vase. You know, you could probably buy some LED lights and stick it in there. and it would light up a room. You could make a very nice lamp out of this. Don't you think that would look cool? Come on, how long does it take to do 1%? You know, if I stop the video, it will probably finish. I wanted to get it finishing in the video, but seriously, it's been 8 minutes. How much longer am I going to have to wait? Still on 99% done. Progress, 99%. Print rate, 50%. The bed's at 60 degrees. The nozzle is at 200 degrees. Look at all this stringing. They call it stringing. It's like hair. Oh! 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 It finished. Oh, yeah! So fucking sick. Nice. So once it cools down, it'll just pop off the bed. Don't want to force it. So you can't see. So ready, look. It took 22 hours and 44 minutes. Ooh. So, print done took 22 hours, 44 minutes. So you go, okay, And then go back. So see how it's now 137, 136 degrees, just at the top there. That's the nozzle. It's cooling down. It's going to go to 0 degrees there. 132, 131, 130, and then the bed is going down to 0, and it's from 60. It's now on 54, 53. Went up. 53. It'll go down to 52 in a sec. Jeez, it stays warm for a while. If I feel the bed, still very hot. Ooh. Once it cools down, this will just pop straight off. It'll just go pop off. 52 degrees. See, the nozzle's heated down. 106, but that's heating down quicker because it's got a fan. See that fan there? It's blowing to keep up. So because that nozzle gets to 200 degrees, it hasn't got a fan there. The heat will just go up, up into there. So they've got a fan, and then they've got a fan on the side here. You see this fan, which isn't on at the moment. That's the part cooling fan, and that rotates. It sucks air in here, and it goes through down this little vent, and it blows air down there onto the part, which as you're printing, it cools the part. Now the bed's at 50 degrees, 49 degrees. So yeah, this will just literally snap off once it gets cold enough. And then I can print another one. But yeah, so all this stringing, there is like things you can do in Cura to like the slicing program on the computer that makes the program for this machine to understand what you want to make. And there is settings to eliminate all this stringing. You just got to play around with it. But seriously, it doesn't bother me. You just bloody pull this shit off. You can even just rub it off. Or you can get a lighter and just put a lighter on there quickly, and the lighter will just burn all the stringing off, and you'll be left with a nice, beautiful vase. Fucking sick. Oh shit! I didn't mean to do that. That's how fucking stuck on there it is. Trying to get it off. Shaking the machine. 47 degrees, 46 degrees. We'll jump up 47 in a sec, I betcha. It's feeling a bit cooler. 45 degrees. This is a great machine, this one. Anycubic makes some sweet machines, man. This machine is ginormous, and it's practically the same price as a smaller machine from a different company. It's amazing how they can make stuff. And this bed is amazing. Like, you literally don't have to use any adhesion, no glue or hairspray. All you have to do is make sure the bed's clean, and it will stick like anything when it's hot. See, I can't get that off, right? I'm shaking it, won't come off. But as soon as the bed cools down, it just releases. Like, it literally will just pop straight off once the bed cools down. It's unreal. I don't know how they designed or made or came up with a bed like this. But out of all the 3D printers I have, I've got 11 different 3D printers. And all my 3D printers, I tell you, this bed is the best. It just works so well. And it's the biggest. Look how big it is. I think it's like 450 by 450. It's ginormous. Look at my hand on the corner. That's just a little corner. You fit like 15 hands on this bed. Come on, he's gonna let go yet. That's one downer. You have to let it cool down if you're in a hurry. Like, because it's such a big bed, it takes ages. Look, it's on 42 degrees. Takes a long time to cool down. 41 degrees. And I'll come back. But anyway, look at that vase. Isn't it fucking fantastic? A gold vase. Jesus Christ, that is cool. Get all the excess off. See how I'm just doing this right, and look at all the shit falling. All the stringing stuff. Coming off yet? It will. It'll pop off in a sec. See, it's at 40 degrees, 39 degrees. It will literally just pop off in a sec. Anyway, bye-bye.